So, in this fifth video of coordinate geometry, we will be continuing from the last class wherever we stopped in this. That is, I hope you got through the last problem, and in that yesterday I have explained to you in the quadratic equations factorization also. Right. So whenever we need to go through the quadratic equation type of things, means don't think that only in quadratic equation you'll get the quadratic equation chapter. Right. In any other chapter also we may need to use it. Getting with this? So you have seen yesterday that even the chapter was coordinate geometry, but we have used the quadratic equations factorization technique. So that's could happen in mathematics always. Every chapter depends on each other directly or indirectly. Clear with this point? Right. So that's why you need to be careful while using the problems, while going through them. Don't expect that you use that in that particular chapter. Suppose sometimes can happen this type of thing that you may not be good at one chapter. You may try to do another chapter, you are good at that. Suppose you are not good at factorization, but you are very good at coordinate geometry. And in the board exam, coordinate geometry question came and you are very happy to solve it, but at the middle somewhere on the steps, you may have to do factorization. Can you do now? No. So because of that chapter incomplete knowledge, this chapter will also get affected. That's why you need to be good at every chapter almost. Then only it will be like perfection. Okay? So now look at everyone. In this video we'll solve the question number 11 first. See, they are saying find the value of y with the distance between 2 points. Already I said you this type of question yesterday. 2 points given points P, (2, -3) and Q, 10, y. So what they gave that distance is 10. So distance between these two is 10. Distance we'll write like this only, P, Q. Right, this is 10. Then we need to find out y value. Okay everyone, we need to find out the y value. Don't move chairs. Right, clear with this point everyone? So, distance formula I am writing directly in this. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Right, formula you know very well now. Yes. Right, we have been going through 3-4 classes, right? So, P will become x1, y1, Q will become x2, y2. Yeah, 3 members, 6, 7, you others go outside, sit in this corridor. See, x2 minus x1, y2 is y minus y1. This minus is from formula, this minus is from number. So 10 minus 2, 8 square. This is minus into minus plus. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. So now we'll do squaring on both sides. So when you do squaring on both sides, right now 8 square 64. This will keep as it is for a while. Squaring on both sides means here also you should write whole square. Here also you should write whole square. Square and square root cancels. So 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. 10 square will be 100. Now I am applying formula a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right. So this is a plus b whole square. So I should apply that here. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 100 as it is. What is our a? Y. Our b? 3. A, b. Now solve it. Again we may have to do factorization. So listen once again carefully. Yesterday also we done. Again today also listen. You'll get some more concept. Right? Clear? So let's see 64 as it is. Okay, let us write Y square will write first. Plus 3 square how much? 9. Plus 3 to the 6. Y. Plus 64 I am writing at the end. Right side 100. Y square plus 6y. 64 plus 9. 73 now. Is equal to 100. So y square plus 6y. This 100 I am bringing left side. It will become minus 100. Clear? Plus 100 will become minus 100. So y square plus 6y, 73 minus 100. One is plus, one is minus. So I should do subtraction. Right. So 100 minus 73 how much? 27. So bigger number is 100. That's why bigger number sign is minus. So answer should also be minus. Getting with this point? Equal to 100 as it is. Equal to 0 as it is. Now say again it is looking quadratic equation. Yesterday we got quadratic equation in terms of x. Today we are getting quadratic equation in terms of y. Getting with this? So way of solving will remain same. Only variable will change. Okay? Observe for a minute everyone. Okay, now we'll continue with the factorization everyone. So hope till here you understood. So we should factorize it now. So we got y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. So, if you remember, yesterday I said you need to do a lot of rough work during the factorization. First, this term here nothing means 1 is there. Square term coefficient and constant you have to multiply. Here 1 minus 27. 1 into minus 27 how much? Minus 27. So you write minus 27 like this and divide it into two boxes. Such that here by multiplying these two numbers you should get minus 27. By adding these two numbers you should get middle term coefficient. What is that? 6. Okay? By multiplying you should get minus 27. By adding you should get plus 6. Getting idea with this point everyone? So let's see now how to get, see 27 possibilities. Let us go a little bit details. 1 into 27, 27. Right, all multiples you write. All factors and multiples. See. Next. 3 into 9, 27. Any other? 9 into 3. Don't write that. 3 into 9, 9 into 3, same. Clear? Right. So, there is no other possibilities. So, out of these two, which one will give 6? 3 and 9 can give us 6 now? Yes. By doing something. So, you write 3 and 9. See, here you write 9, here you write 3, doesn't matter. Not necessary that I did like this, you should also do like that. You can write 9 here. Nothing will happen. Steps will change, but final answer will remain same. Clear? So first you write like this. Now you see here minus is there. So look at this one. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. That means here we are doing into. So we have minus. So what are the two possibilities? These two. Right. Means one should be plus, one should be minus. Now which one is plus, which one is minus depends on this number. Now by seeing this we will decide what could be done with this. Now we understood that one should be minus, one should be plus, or one should be plus, one should be minus. So which one is plus, which one is minus, that depends on this number. Now this is plus now, so bigger number should be plus. If this is minus, suppose, so bigger number should be minus. So right now this is plus, So bigger number I'm considering plus, smaller number should become minus. Understood? Like this you should decide the correct sign. After deciding correct sign you keep x. Okay? Now you use it in the main problem. See here. Now our equation is in y, so you write y. Yesterday's our equation was in x. We wrote x. Today we can write y. Clear? Depending upon variable. So now minus this y square plus 6y place, you write both. 6y don't write. You write these two numbers. Minus 3y plus 9y minus 27. Okay? In this place you write these two. Now you see 9y minus 3y getting 6y or not? That means these two steps are matching, equivalent. Right. Now solve them. First make one pair here, one pair here. In these two, y is common now. Here also y, here also y. So one y I am taking out. From this one y came out, one y left inside. Y came out. What left out? 3. Okay? Like this you see common. Whatever common is possible, take it out. Now, whatever you get in the bracket, you repeat as it is. Because the method which I teach you will give you 100% same answer if you follow perfectly. You need not to do again common something. You copy as it is and follow what I say, you know. Right. See, after copying, you look at on this. Y went inside now. See, y is there, 9y is there. So y went inside. What left out? Plus 9 left out. You write down plus 9. Automatically it will be correct. Right. Now check it. 9 into y, 9y. Plus into minus, minus. 9 into 3, 27. Getting idea? Right. Now next step. So till here clear? Observe for a minute everyone. Only this must, that and this. Okay, clear all of you? Right? So you need to be very careful with this type of setups. Right? So I don't want you should get trouble when you go through the 10 things. Right? Clear? Okay, so now this is one term completely. This is one term. See, in both y minus 3 common now. Bring it out. Here also y minus 3, there also y minus 3. So you bring that out. Y minus 3 came out. Y minus 3 came out. What left out? Y. Plus. Y minus 3 came out. What left out? 9. Okay? So you got two factors. Now separately equate them to 0. Y minus 3 equal to 0. Y plus 9 equal to 0. Now this minus 3 goes to right side, becomes plus 3. Okay? Actually, if I write in details, 0 plus 3. Because 0 is there already. But 0 plus 3 will be 3 only now. That's why we write directly. Okay? Right. Next. Y. This goes there, becomes 0 minus 9. So 0 minus 9 is minus 9 only. Right? So therefore we have two y values. Right? So therefore y values are 3 or minus 9. Clear with this point, everyone? Yesterday also we got two values for x. Right. Today we have done the same thing in terms of y. Okay? Yeah. Observe it. Okay. So everyone, look at now next question. See, question number 12. They give that find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2. So there is one circle. Right. So the center of the circle has been given. That is center is 3, 2. And this circle is passing through minus 5, 6. Right. So passing through means the minus 5, 6 somewhere is on the circle. So ये सर्कल किस पॉइंट से गुजर रहा है? -5, 6 से होके गुजर रहा है. Getting with this point, everyone? Right. Now they are asking you to find out radius. See, what is the radius meaning? The line joining the distance between center and the point on the circle. So this is the center. We name it as suppose A. This is the point on circle. We name it as P. The distance between center and that point is known as radius. Right. So this is the radius. So radius means AB now here. So here radius is equal to AB. So therefore we know distance formula I'm not writing. Radius is equal to AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance formula I write down. Right. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So our x2 is minus 5, our x1 is 3, our y2 is 6 minus our y1 is 2. Minus 3 minus 5, both are minus. We should do addition. Minus into minus plus. That means we should do addition. 5 plus 3, 8. Bigger number is minus, that's why minus. Okay? 6 minus 2, 4. So, minus is there, square is there, so it will become plus. Right? 8 square how much? 64. 4 square? 16. So, this is square root of 80. Right? Clear? So, square root of 80 can be written in some other form. Like this, 80 can be written as any other possibilities. Squares you should get. Or else you leave it like this only, nothing happen. Right. If suppose some numbers will be like this, you see. 52. 52 or else 32. 32 can be written as 16 into 2, no? 16 can be written as under root 16 can be written as 4. Right, like this if possible we should do. If not possible, leave it. So right now it's looking like not possible. So we leave it as it is. Getting with this point, everyone? Yes. Right. But 40 is not a perfect square. Clear? If you want one thing, you can do like this. 20 into 4, 80 only. So square root 20 I am writing separately. Square root 4 I am writing separately. So square root 20 as it is, square root 4 value will be 2. So this can be written as 2 root 20. Okay? You can do till this or you can do stop here also. Then you are not going to be successful in the life. Yeah. Challenges से डरोगे तो लाइफ में कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे. Getting? Right. आसान रास्ता हमेशा जिंदगी को मुश्किल बनाता है. मुश्किल रास्ता ही जिंदगी को आसान बनाता है. राइट. तो अगर यहाँ पे रुकने की आपकी माइंडसेट है तो आप कभी भी लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे. Getting with this? Right. Okay. Clear, everyone? Both are correct, but it's up to you. It depends on question. Okay. So therefore, radius is equal to 2 root 20 units. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Right? So radius is nothing but in this case distance between the 2 points. Okay, observe for a minute everyone. This is today's last problem for you. Observe. Feeling happy always after ending the problems.